Hello friend, this is my YouTube channel IT Pro. You can watch it for a strongly foundation of information technology and promises you to give you conceptual knowledge in computer. Keep watching for latest videos. Time to time I will come with the latest video in computer. Thank you.
Let's have a quick quiz. What is the other name of a worksheet? And one more question. How many sheet tabs are present at the bottom of a workbook window by default? Data is entered into the worksheet. You can add additional worksheets if you need more than 3. Data can be viewed in a worksheet by clicking on its sheet tab. Having learned so much, can you differentiate between a workbook and a worksheet? A worksheet is divided into rows and columns. Okay, let me explain columns. Each column has an alphabetical heading at the top. The first 26 columns have the letters from A through Z, then AA through AZ, and carrying up to XFD. Each worksheet contains 16,384 columns. Let us understand rows. Each row also has a heading. Row headings are numbers ranging from 1 to 1048576. Now let's understand what a cell is. A cell is the space which is formed by the intersection of one row and one column. Each small rectangle in a spreadsheet is called a cell. Let me now tell you what a cell reference is. The heading of a column and a row combines to form the cell address, also called the cell reference. Two small buttons appears to the left of the formula bar. The cancel button can be used to cancel the data entry. The enter button works like an enter key. Let us now talk about cell pointer. A cell pointer is a highlighted cell boundary that indicates which cell is active at the moment. Okay, now let me share an interesting fact with you. The tab scrolling buttons to the left of Sheets tabs let you move through the tabs quickly. Alright, let us now find out how to enter data in Excel. You can enter two types of data in worksheet cells, number and text. Click on the cell where you want to enter the data. Type your data into the cell. Press the Enter key to move the pointer down by one cell. Press the Tab key to move to next adjoining cells towards right. Click on the cell B1 and type Pocket Money Expenses. Press the Enter key. Click on the cell A3 and type Items. Press the Tab key and type Date. Press the right arrow key and type Amount. Click on the cell A4 and type Patty and press the Enter key. Similarly, type rest of the given items and data. Let me now tell you how to do calculations. The spreadsheet has powerful built-in tools such as functions and formulas to perform calculations on the data. A formula calculates values displayed in the cell to return a result. A formula consists of a combination of a cell reference, numbers and arithmetic operators. A formula begins with the equal to sign. Calculations in Excel are often used to sum up a column or a row of data. Students, having discussed formulas, we can now say that 3 types of data can be entered in MS Excel, numbers, text, formulas. Okay students, now let's learn how to calculate sum using AutoSum function. The AutoSum function offers a shortcut to add up these columns and rows of data. Click on the cell C8 and press the AutoSum button. Excel will suggest the range C4 is to C7. Press the Enter key. The sum of values in cell C4 is to C7 is calculated and entered in the cell C8. Now we will learn how to calculate the sum using formula. Click on the cell C7 where you want to enter a formula. Type an equal to sign. If you do not begin a formula with an equal to sign, Excel will display the information that you have typed as text instead of using the data in calculation. Type the first cell reference, that is C3. Enter an arithmetic operator plus and then type C4. Repeat the steps until C6 to complete the formula, that is C3 plus C4 plus C5 plus C6. Click the Enter button on the formula bar or press the Enter key to get the result. Let us now find out how to save a workbook. To save a workbook, follow the given steps. Click on the Office button and select Save As option. The Save As dialog box appears. Select the drive and the folder in the Save As list box where you want to save the workbook. Type the file name in the File Name text box. Click on the Save button. The file will be saved with an extension .xlsx. Students, note that we can also save your file using Ctrl plus S key combination. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. MS Excel is spreadsheet software widely used to perform mathematical calculation. A new workbook comes with 3 worksheets. A cell is a space which is formed by the intersection of one row and one column. A cell pointer is a highlighted cell boundary that indicates which cell is active at the moment. A formula begins with an equal to sign.
Thank you. Thanks for watching my videos. And if you will like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.